We focused? Are we in there? Do we have this? Hope so. Starting videos are so awkward for me. It's October. Halloween is right around the corner. Today I thought I would try to recreate a mermaid look. I know that mermaids are outdone in the beauty world, the makeup community, but I don't give a sh. I went and I got some fishnets, some hair color spray, some washout spray. I have a feeling that I'm gonna make this whole video and then I'm going to edit it and I'm going to be like, nope. Where's my hair bow? Y'all, I'm dysfunctional. I am dysfunction.
Oh my god, it's October!
It's the one time of year that you get to do whatever the hell you want, even if that's being a basic
ass mermaid. So let's turn ourselves into a basic ass mermaid. It's October. We have permission. It is fine. It's gonna be okay. We're doing great. We're gonna find out. Let's do it.
My camera died. But it's back now, beach. I have done my face makeup, roughly. We gonna be putting scales on, girl. We gonna have scales. Oh, we gonna have scales. So I bought these fishnets, stockings, tags, whatever, at the Walmart. You need to calm down, motherfucker.
Cause I'm a fuck up, and I'm so fucked up, and all these voices in my head won't shut the fuck up. Cause I'm a fuck up, and I'm so fucked up, and it's 5 p.m. and I just woke the fuck up.
Okay, so my camera fucked up again. This is a disaster. Look good though, right? Damn, I look better like this than I do in real life. What the fuck? Come on, Halloween!